We're in your back garden, Josh, and we've just found this wonderful wind-up radio. Oh, do you know what we should do? Stick on a train to Swansea and shout bomb.
Oh God!
It actually explodes now, it's gonna be fucking hilarious.
How fast
Yeah?
that's going? Down in a minute, so there's no hook or what's.
Does it still work, Josh?
Bet it does. Oh God!
It's the bomb radio. I think it's officially fucked in the ass.
I reckon.
Talking about fucked in the ass, I've got some wonderful information for YouTube and you, Josh. Would you like to know what it is?
What is it?
I think of shit. Say bye to YouTube, Josh.
Bye YouTube.
Bye, YouTube. Say bye to the bomb radio, YouTube. Set it up once more for them, actually. Why not? If we can.
I think that doesn't work.
Explode!
That stops. Epic fail.
It stopped. Bye, YouTube. Say bye.
Bye.